Hi, thanks for watching this video, and thanks for using OurChurch.com's WPEZ website builder. It's WordPress made easy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an image to a web page using the drag and drop page builder that is a part of WPEZ. Here we have a test page, and so to get started, I'm going to go up to the page builder. Now, I'm going to show you a couple of different ways that you can do this. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to just add a large picture to the middle, a large picture that spans the width of the page. So to do that, we're going to go to rows, and we're going to add a section below this. And to do that, we need to add a one column row. And I'm going to put it down here like this. Okay, and we're going to make the row we'll leave it as it is at this point without making it full width. And what we're going to do now is we're going to add an image. So to do that, we come into the modules, and then you'll see we have photo. So I'm going to click this and drag it into the new row that we just added. Okay. Now we can go to our media library and choose a photo. And let's pick a photo like this. And if we want, we can have a caption. And we'll select the photo, and we'll save it. All right. So now we have added a photo that spans the full width of our page. Now, some of the other options that you might have is you might want to have a paragraph of text, and you might want to add an image into that paragraph of text. So if we wanted to do that, and we wanted the text to wrap around the photo, what we would need to do is we can continue with the row that we currently have, since we have a one column row below. What we're going to do is add a block of text. So we go to the text editor, and we will drag that right in here below the image. And then we will type a paragraph of text, and we'll just copy this so we see a long paragraph of text. Okay, and let's make the text a bit larger, make it 20 points, and we're going to align it to the left. And now let's say, I'm going to make this even longer, because what I want to do here is add a picture on the right. So what I'm going to do then is place my cursor in here and go to Add Media, and I'm going to pick an image, and we'll just put this guy in there. And I'm not going to add a caption or anything like that, but I'm going to just insert it into the post. Oh, you know what I did want to do though? Actually, this will give me a good opportunity. I'm going to save this. So now I have saved my text with an image on it. So what I might want to do is, let's say I want to move my image, instead of on the left side, to the right side. So I'm going to click on the image. It's actually the whole text paragraph here, and on the image itself, I'm going to click again and hit the edit icon here. All right, and then we have the option here if we want to, how we want to align. So let's say I want to align it to the right. I can do that. Let's say I want the image to be a little bit smaller. So I can choose the medium size version, and then I'm going to save. All right, so there we go. That's a good overview of how I would do it if I wanted the text to wrap around the image. Another option that you have with it would be to have text and an image in two different columns. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete this by hitting the X. So I've removed that, and I'm going to try the two-column option here. Let me remove that section there. All right, so I'm going to come up here, go to rows, because I want a two-column section. So I'm going to take the two columns, I'm going to drag it all the way down, and we'll put it at the bottom. Okay, and I'm going to set the, well, let's leave it as it is for now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the modules, and I'm going to put text on this side. And I will duplicate it a few times so you can see what it's like. I'll make it a little bit larger and left justify. Now if I want to put an image next to it, see how I've got this second column. So I just go plus and go to modules, and now I'm going to take the photo, I'm going to put it here. I can choose something from my media library. So let's put her in this time. If I wanted to add a caption, I can do that. And I save. So now you can see how it's two columns here. And because it's two columns, I can also adjust the size just by clicking and dragging. So if I want to do it this way, I can do it like that. All right. If you ever want to edit an image that is by itself in its own module like that, you can come in and see the photo settings. You click on that. And let's say I wanted to make it link to something. I could have it link to another page on my site. I could put in a URL if I want. I could have it search for, let's say, an about page, and I can save it that way. So that gives an overview of how to add an image to a web page using the drag and drop page builder. Thanks for watching.